Good morning, class third, chapter number 6, Safety and First Aid. Student, we have discussed in previous lecture traffic rules and road sign. Student, we have discussed also dangerous liquids, safety labels. Now student, in this lecture we will discuss safety gears. What are the safety gears? Student, these are uniform. These are special uniform or material that protect the body from any kind of injury. So if we talk about students, sports person and people engaged in hazardous work wear safety gears. You can take example of helmet, caps, rubber gloves, aprons. We can say that safety glasses are the some type of the safety gears that we wear at work, at home also. So you can see student, there are the table also to know about the safety gears and that some people have to wear while working. Okay, so if we talk about student, you can see there is a cylinder also. Have you seen this? If yes, where? Yes student, where? You can see this cylinder in school also, in hospital also, in any long building also. This is the fire extinguisher cylinder. It is very useful. Okay, so if we talk about student, we need to wear oven mittens when we hold hot pans. Okay, now there are the some person is here. You can take example of the construction worker. So safety gears or material, you can say the safety gear. What are the safety gear? Materials. Okay, or uniform. So if we talk about the uniform or safety gear for construction worker, helmet or safety belts, and how it helps provide protection from sun and rain also. Next student है student person, fireman. So the safety gears of the fireman, face shield and fireproof suit. Okay, so these face shield and fireproof suit, they provide protection from fire. Okay, dentist. Okay student, the safety gears of dentist, mask, provide protection from the germs. Okay, now student, boater, life jacket. The safety gears of the boater, life jacket, and how it helps keeps afloat in case one falls into the river. Now chef, apron or cap, keep the clothes clean and prevent hair from falling into the food. Okay, this is a very important. Wear safety gear for chef also, boater also, fireman also, dentist also. So now student, there are the some safety from germs. So student, you have learned that we learn to share our things with each other in school, but student, we must not share germs. Okay, so we come in contact with germs through the various action. So tick the action that spread germs. If we talk about sneezing, coughing also, they spread germs also. Sharing a glass juice of also, they sharing the germs. Okay, and running no, if you don't touch the other person, so not spread germs. Okay, if you talk about watching TV, it is not spread the germs. Okay, so student, germs enter our body when we eat unclean food, breathe dirty air and drink impure water. So germs enter your body when you eat unclean, uncovered food, unclean food, and when you breathe in dirty air and drink impure water. Okay, so germs can enter your body. Now keeping germs away, how can you keep the germs away? So there are the some safety rules. So first of all student, you should scrub your hand with soap and rinse with warm water. Okay, always when you sneezing or coughing and shake with the other shake hand with your friends. So always you should scrub your hands with soap and rinse with warm water, and always eat healthy freshly cooked food, okay, and food cooked in a clean surrounding. Avoid the oven food, junk food also. Always eat healthy freshly cooked food, avoid the preserved food. Okay student, now student always clean, always drink the clean water, not drink water from unclean sources. You should wash fruits and vegetable with clean water. You should wash vegetables, rice, pulses before cooking to remove dust and chemical, because some rice or pulses, they are polished with the chemicals. So student, always wash vegetable, rice and pulses, dal before cooking to remove the dust and chemical. Okay student, so you must wash your hands after using the washroom, before eating and after touching animals, and before preparing food also. Understand what I am saying? So how do germs get into your body? Yes student, through nose, yes, through mouth, yes, through a cut in the skin, yes student, through clothes also, and through eyes also. So the germs can enter. Yes, germs can be enter, nose also, eyes also, mouth also, cut in the skin also. So be careful student. Okay, so student, I hope you understand. In next lecture we will discuss do, observe and learn. Okay, and then we will discuss the personal safety. Okay students, take care, bye.